Hi, this is Dylan from K72 with you for the 5th video in the series about using FreeRace Master. This video is going to concentrate on creating a replay video, and it's actually pretty quick. I'm not going to go through too much, but there's a couple of settings here which are really handy to know, so we'll dive into it. We already have our event that we created before, our little 3-person event at Barham Heads. We're going to create a replay video. Now, you might want to do this because you want to remix a video and put it on YouTube, do something like that. That's fine, go for it. That's what the software is for. You can create a video which you can give to the people who competed in the event as some sort of keepsake, but it's not necessarily a good idea to do this at the beach because it can take a while to actually generate the video itself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on in here. First thing we're going to do is pick which event we're going to make a video from. And here's our 3-person event that we had already. Now, this is going to size the window to the optimum size for your video recording straight away, okay? So don't play with the window size, just let it go with the default size that it picks. Now, there's nothing else to pick here. We know all the settings here, and this is all just for display. So we're just going to go ahead and click the Save button. When you click Save, it's going to say, well, where do you want to put this? And I'm going to stick this on the desktop. So we'll call this BH video, save, and here's the few options that we've got to worry about. Okay, so what compressor are you going to use? I would suggest the best thing to do is just use Microsoft Video 1. Microsoft Video 1, 75 up to 95%, or even 100% compression quality. I usually leave it at 75. 75. This is going to give you a big file, much bigger than you would probably want to have to upload to YouTube or something like that, but it's going to be a good quality video file which you can use in other package like Movie Maker to edit. I use Movie Maker to mix in sound and photos and other snapshots like GoPro video and stuff like that. And then using that other third-party package you can generate a much smaller file which you can then upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead, pick Microsoft Video 1, leave the quality at 75%, and that's it. There's nothing else to click now, just hit OK. And it's just going to go ahead and create. Now what it does is it replays the event, and as it replays the event, it creates the video file. When it gets to the end of running the event, you'll get a little pop-up on the screen, and I'll show you that in a minute. So this bit, we're just going to scoot through at high speed, and then you'll get to see the result at the end. We're done. Okay, so you can see that boxes come up to say finished encoding. Just click OK here, go ahead and close this window, and we'll get right on out of FreeRace Master. And here's the video that was created. So let's have a little look at that. Now look at the properties of it, and you see that's a 416 megabyte video. You could upload that to YouTube, but it's going to take a long time. You're best off taking that into something else and editing it before you try and upload it to a service like YouTube. So let's have a quick look at it, see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see it's a widescreen aspect, full screen it. There we go. And it's basically the replay video now. You can take that raw video and do what you like with it. I personally suggest using Microsoft Movie Maker, which is free software off the internet from Microsoft, and I find that pretty useful for editing this sort of software, editing this sort of video. You can resize it, you can switch in videos of from GoPros and from the shore and stuff like that. Have a look at our YouTube channel for some examples of FreeRace videos we've created out of past events. Okay, so there's your raw replay video. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back for the next one in the series, which is more advanced settings. This is Dylan from K72, out.